In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change blocks color in AutoCAD. If you've ever placed a block and realized its color needs to be adjusted, the simplest way is to edit the block definition directly. This ensures every instance of that block updates consistently across your drawing. To begin, open your drawing and locate the block you want to modify. You can enter the block editor in two easy ways. Either double-click directly on the block, or type "edit" into the command line, press Enter, and then click the block when prompted. Both options take you into the same editing environment where the internal geometry of the block can be changed. Once you're inside the block editor, select the specific objects within the block whose color you want to change. It's important to click the actual elements inside the block, not the block as a whole, because color is controlled at the object level here. If you select more than you intended, just hold Shift to deselect items or press Escape to clear the selection and try again. Keep in mind that any edits made in the block editor affect all copies of this block throughout your drawing, which is usually what you want when standardizing colors. With your object selected, head to the Home tab. In the Properties section, you'll find the Color control. Click the drop-down and choose the color you want. Picking a named color or an index color will apply that color directly to the selected objects. If you see options like By Layer or By Block, remember these control how color is inherited. By Layer will make the objects take on the color of the layer they're on, while choosing a specific color overrides that and locks the color to your selection. If your goal is a uniform override across all instances, selecting a specific color here is a quick, reliable approach. If you prefer working with a dedicated panel, there's an alternative. Type Prop into the command line to open the Properties pane. With your object still selected, look for the color field and pick your desired color there. This method is especially handy if you want to confirm you're changing exactly what you selected, since the pane shows live feedback about your selection and properties. And that's all there is to it. By entering the block editor, selecting the right objects, and changing their color from either the Home tab or the Properties pane, you'll update your block's appearance quickly and consistently across your entire drawing.